In this session, let us learn about HTML links different colors. HTML links different colors. An HTML link is displayed in a different color depending on whether it has been visited, is unvisited, or is active. By default, a link will appear like this in all browsers. An unvisited link is underlined and yellow. A visited link is underlined and purple. An active link is underlined and orange. You can change the link state colors by using CSS. Example. Here, an unvisited link will be green with no underline. A visited link will be pink with no underline. An active link will be orange and underlined. In addition, when mousing over a link, it will become orange and underlined. See by executing this code by using CSS format. See here, link is green, transparent none. And visited link is yellow, transparent none. And hover link is orange, transparent link. And hover is orange, transparent and underlined. See, link, you can change the default colors of link. If you click this, it automatically change it to yellow, orange. See, active color is transparent, underline. You can change the default colors of links like this. HTML image blank like this. See, link color, you change to orange. Link buttons. A link can also be styled as a button by using CSS. See here, you can also link button like this by using colors. A link style as a button. By writing executing this code, padding 15 pixels, 25 pixels, center, none, inline block. The result will be like this. See here, the button was appeared. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 18. HTML links colors. In next video, let us learn about another topic, HTML links create bookmarks. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.